Hello, good morning, everyone. You are welcome to this Zoom meeting on miktex installation. My name is Obinna Ibiam, Aga Ibiam. So I will take you through the process of installing LaTeX, from downloading to installation. So from now on, I will share my screen to show you how to do it step by step. So as you can see, to install LaTeX, you first of all have to download the distribution file, the miktex distribution. Or you can also download TechLive. Then after that, you install. And then you download a text editor that you use to develop your documents. So before now, I had already downloaded the miktex. I went to miktex.org and selected download. So first of all, you search for miktex download, select download miktex. And it takes you to the download page where you now select download page. And automatically it detects the type of system you have and shows you the best download option available. So in this case, we have the latest version released on the 18th of July 2022. The size is about 232 megabytes. So you click download. And once you do that, it starts downloading. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it. Basic miktex 22.7 version 64. I've downloaded it. I can show you in the folder where it is. So look at it here, where it was downloaded. Then you download Text Studio. I'll search for Text Studio. See, it is a LaTeX editor, so it's used to create LaTeX documents. I open the page and I search for the latest download available. Say download now, Text Studio 4.3.1 Windows installer. So I click on that and it starts downloading. But I already have the document, so I will not complete the download. I would stop and use the version I already have. downloaded. So I will now take you to the page where all the applications are. So I'm just going to LaTeX folder. And inside LaTeX folder, I have LaTeX setup. Click LaTeX setup, and inside it, I have the basic miktex that I downloaded earlier, and I have TechMaker. So I'll be using TechMaker as my editor. So what does that mean? First of all, let's start with basic miktex. So I click on basic miktex to install. It brings out the dialog box. I accept the miktex copying conditions, and I click next. Then it asks me to install miktex only for me, which is the recommended option. I say next. And this is where the folder it is going to be installed. Click on next. Install missing packages on the fly. Ask me first. There are several packages that are not going to be installed, which will be included later after the installation is complete. So it will ask me before installing any package. So we start. So this will take a while. Excuse me for the moment. Coming. Installation is in progress. And it's almost complete, as you can see. So as you saw, there are several LaTeX editors. So this one is Text Studio. The one I want to install is TechMaker. So you can also search for TechMaker. Then you open the page and download version 5.1.3. That's probably the latest version. So there are several editors available online to use for document editing. So the process is almost complete. While we wait, so we have shown TechMaker, Text Studio, and there's also Technique Center. Technique Center. You can also download Technique Center and install. All these LaTeX editors would help you type and produce your documents, but some are easy to configure, while others are a little bit complicated. For instance, Technic Center is a little complicated to install and configure. So the first process is to install the miktex distribution before installing the editor. So we have concluded our installation. Right now, click next. So we check for updates and click next. So it's now checking for updates in the background. It says thank you, just to tell us that we have concluded our installation. So I will look for miktex console and open miktex console. It says a setup issue has been detected. So far, you have not checked for miktex updates. Check for miktex updates. I press OK. So I will now check for updates. It's checking for updates. Sometimes we have issues of updating the packages because of poor internet connection. So hopefully that will not be the case this time. It says there are updates available. We can review the updates on the update page. So look at, there are 95 updates available. You can see my console. There are 95 updates available. So I now click updates now. Right, it says update in progress. It starts installing all the updates one by one, 95 of them. The speed of this is determined by the strength of the internet connection. So this is a very slow process. While we wait, we could check the folder again. So inside the folder, I have books. These are materials that will help you learn how to type LaTeX documents. The first one is called Digital Typography using LaTeX. Second one is called Novice Report. Fortunately, we don't have a PDF reader, so I'll open this document with Microsoft Edge. Ah. So this is the book, Digital Typography using LaTeX by these authors. It is 507 pages. Look at the table of contents, introduction, the file structure, fonts and their use, lists and catalogs, typesetting mathematics, more on the core, and so on. Then we have novice reports on that book that will help you to learn LaTeX. This is LaTeX for complete novices. That's the actual title. And the table of contents says introduction, some definitions, from source code to typesets, output, creating a simple document, structuring your document, the graphics package, floats, defining commands, mathematics, defining environments, downloading and installing packages, common errors, so many of them. And they're important because errors can stop you from producing a document until you resolve such an error. So we are 39%. I'm hoping this would hasten up so that we could continue. So while we wait, we'll start setting up the tech maker. So I'll start the process. Okay, this is I think corrupted. Let me download. Let me download. The download is coming, or it's probably being delayed because of our update in progress, which is also consuming so much data. So we'll wait to complete this installation. It's now 82%. Our technical is still taking time. The internet connection is really slow. So the download is almost complete. It's now 95%. Yes, we are almost done. So after this, installing the Technique Center is a straightforward process. It's unfortunate we have to re-download it. The other one we downloaded is corrupted, so we have to re-download a new Techmaker to complete the installation of the editor and to start typing. That's the end of the installation. We have closed miktex console.